Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, I'm going to help you guys to get focused and make money in social media marketing, okay? Now, most of you guys have been involved with social media marketing, and one of the biggest challenges that you guys face is getting clients and figuring out ways to get those clients results, okay? And the reason why you're having such a hard time with getting clients, ladies and gentlemen, is because you're not taking enough action, okay? All the strategies are out there. All the technical stuff that you need to do to make money in Smma is out there and available for you. But the problem that you're having, folks, is you're not consistent and persistent in what you're doing when it comes to social media marketing. Let me give you an example, okay? When it comes to making cold calls, how did I get to, making six figures consistently over the last, handful of years, just over and over, just literally on autopilot? Is because when I first launched my business, ladies and gentlemen, I was consistent. I was working the phone 6 days a week, okay, nonstop, making calls, setting appointments, and meeting with clients, okay? Now, through the process, okay, I sucked. Let me say that again. Through the process, okay, I sucked. But here's the thing. Here's the truth of the matter, ladies and gentlemen, is that through the process, I didn't know it at the time, but I was actually getting better. And a lot of times when you guys make cold calls, you give up too quick and you say, well, I'm not getting results like Maurice or whoever, and this is not working. Ladies and gentlemen, it's actually working. That's how you get good, okay? Most of you guys aren't willing to give yourself time to be successful on the phone. So you abandon cold calling, okay, which is the fastest way to get clients. And if you guys want my 4-step process, click the link in the description. You guys can rip my system off and you guys can kind of see how I built my agency. But for the most part, most of you guys are abandoning cold calling, okay? And a lot of people are asking me even right now, during the time of this video, does cold calling still work in the midst of a pandemic? Unequivocally, yes. You can be killing it, filling your pipeline and getting clients. I just had a client to reach out to me, okay, and he wants to get started, okay? He's getting ready to get a truck and all type of other stuff, and he's ready to go, okay? So can you get clients during a pandemic? Yes. Cold calling never stops, ladies and gentlemen, because you're immediately getting in front of clients, okay? That's why cold calling works so good. And that's the biggest problem, okay? People say, well, Maurice, why don't you put a lot of strategies out about how to get clients results? Because if you go to outsourcing sites, there's thousands and thousands of people, okay? Out of that, there's about 20 to 30% of those people who can really get your clients results. But that's up to you to go through the numbers and sort out who's going to be the best team player for you. Or you can go on YouTube. There's guys that have made millions of dollars in Facebook, Google, or what have you, that have tutorials, okay, and courses where you can invest in yourself if you want to do it yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the thing, okay? If you guys want to make $100,000 a year and you're not willing to invest time, energy, and money, this is not for you. Go get a job, okay? A lot of you guys frown when it's time to invest in courses and trainings and coaching. You guys, you get upset. You say, I can't afford it. But when it's time to go to a movie or pay your Netflix subscription and buy all this useless stuff and eat all this bad food, that you can afford it. But when it comes to investing in your mind, okay, this thing right here can make you a billionaire if you use it. Most people won't use their mind, okay? Most people will die, okay, not executing on any of the good ideals that your mind germinates. It's been said, ladies and gentlemen, that you get 10 ideals a year that can make you a multimillionaire. But most of you guys ignore them. You ignore them because you feel that they won't work. And it's the same thing with Smma. SMMA is the perfect business for those that are 13 on up, okay? It's the perfect business because you have a low learning curve, okay? You can literally grab your cell phone, get online, find some business owners that you can contact, get in front of them, set an appointment, or send them some information and show them, okay, a simple demonstration of what Facebook ads can do for their business, or Google, okay, for that matter, and show them how you can get them results, because that's what gets business owners excited, believe it or not. It's not Facebook or Google, it's the results that these sites give business owners. That's why you make so much money in SMMA. That's why you can get 3 clients, each one of those clients paying you $1,000, and you can literally go from $0 to $3,000 in less than 30 days, literally by taking action, okay, and not having, a high skill set. When you really get into internet marketing, real estate, and stuff like that, it requires a higher learning curve. Not to say you can't do it, but social media allows you to go from literally day 1 to day 30, and you could literally have a $3,000 to $5,000 a month income coming in to pay your bills and to literally fire your job. Most people could quit their job in SMMA if they're just making a minimum of $5,000 a month. Because I can say 75% of the people that are watching SMMA videos aren't pulling in 5Gs on their job. So if you guys want to be free and fire your job, wouldn't it be worth it to invest thousands of dollars so that you can get out of that 9 to 5 and use your time the way you want it and do the things that you've always wanted to do, like travel and, enjoy your hobbies, whether it's golf, fishing, whatever it may be, buy that new Lexus. If you're into Lexuses, you can do it, okay? But the problem, okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's stopping you from getting ahead in SMMA is that you're not taking enough action, okay? You got to give yourself enough time, okay, ladies and gentlemen, to grow, okay, to get the skill down pat, whatever it is. And I love cold calling because it builds you up in so many aspects, okay? It makes you, fit for the fight, so to speak, okay? Because most people are afraid to communicate with business owners. Cold calling allows you to get over that fear and anxiety and build your communication skills set up, okay? All success is communication, okay? When you learn how to communicate, whether in verbal or written form, you're going to get rich. Let me say that again. All success is communication. The people that make the most money in SMMA or any type of business are excellent communicators, whether it's verbal or on paper, okay, nonverbal, okay, meaning copy. All right, you hear about copywriters, they make thousands and thousands of dollars. Well, that's why, because they're excellent communicators, okay, in the written form, okay? So you can do it in the written form or you can do it verbally. When you do cold calling, why you have to have that script and why you're learning, okay, how to get people to respond. You're getting better at the game. You're learning how to become a communicator, okay? And guess what? You don't have to do this for 10 years. Just give it 3 months. Get the course, get the scripts, learn your rebuttals, set a schedule up, and do it till you get your first client, okay? Just do it, all right? I don't care how hard it is. If you do it, it can reap you thousands and thousands of dollars. Like I said before, ladies and gentlemen, I was doing this and I was like, man, I'm doing this, man. I need to quit. I'm not getting any result. And that's what you guys are thinking too. You're doing this. You're like, man, I keep getting hung up on. And, people aren't buying my products. And it's just like, man, what am I doing? You know what I mean? I need to try. Let me just try cold email. Let me go to LinkedIn. Let me let this cold calling stuff go. I can't do it. That's what you guys are going through. But I'm telling you, as a pro, as someone who has already been down the path that you're on, if you keep going and you do this right, all right, you can easily make $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Now, remember what I said before, and I say this in a lot of my trainings, folks, is that companies like AT&T, they make millions and millions of dollars with call centers. They hire people to come in and make cold calls for them in this space, in the website space, SEO. These are what companies do. Yellow Pages. They have virtual telemarketers or telemarketers that work for their firm that call out to business owners. It works. Okay, companies make millions and millions of dollars by hiring cold callers. Okay, so this stuff works. So if you're questioning it, you want an inexpensive way to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Okay, this is it. Okay, you get the clients and have somebody else to get the clients' results. Okay, getting clients' results is simple. You can go to the outsourcing sites, they'll hook you up, read their reviews, okay, and the ones that seem good, interview them, have them to send you some case studies, and maybe do a test. You know, have them to set up maybe a small campaign to see if they can get results. And if they do, that's your guy. You hire them. And then while you're getting the clients, you send the client over to them and they get the client's results. Now you got a business that's operating, that's starting to generate you revenue, okay? But like I said before, the reason why you're not getting results is you're not doing enough activity. You're not putting in the time equity, okay? You have to put forth the sweat equity if you're going to get rich in Smma and make money, okay? And most people are just going from video to video, but there's no activity. Without activity, there could be no results. Without activity, there will be no results. You can watch the videos, go through the courses, read the books, but if you don't apply it, you're not going to make any money, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, I hope this training has been of immense value to you. Make sure you guys comment below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, helps with the algorithm. I hope this training has been of immense value to you. Ladies and gentlemen, roll your sleeves up, go to work. You're gonna get beat up, okay? Plain and simple. You're gonna get slapped around, but that's okay. You're on your way to earning a six-figure income. You can do it. I did it, you can do it. I don't have a college degree or, you know, I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth, graduated high school, that's it. If I can do it, ladies and gentlemen, you can do it, all right? Now, if you guys need help, you need coaching, make sure you guys click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, where I give you guys my 4-step process on how you can literally go from zero to making $5,000 to $10,000 a month using the phone. My name is Maurice. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.